Hi friends, today we will discuss how we can cut copy paste options in Microsoft Word. Friends, most of our people are using Microsoft Word while typing any document or thesis or some other office work. So you must know these options, how we can cut copy paste and what is the difference between cut copy and paste. So we will discuss how we can use these options. First of all, open Microsoft Word. After opening Microsoft Word, we have some text we will paste here. Now friends, we will see how we can use these options. What is difference between cut and copy? In case of cut, we are moving text from one place to other place, and in case of copy, we are copying text, and the text will also be placed at our previous location as well as where we paste these options. So in copy, we do not move the text, we just copy as we copy any document from photocopier. So in case of copy, we are copy text from one place and to other place, but on the original place text will be present. So this is the major difference between cut and copy. And when we paste this option, then it means we are inserting the text where we required. So we will see, first of all, we will select the text which we want to copy. Okay friends, at home menu you will see also options cut, copy and paste. Cut, here you will see a scissor like option, it means cut, and copy means same document, same documents, and then paste means we can paste option to required place. So in case of cut, first of all we will cut, and the command of cut is Ctrl plus X. If we will press the Ctrl key plus X key, so if we see here, click on cut, and you see we have cut the text, and if we want to paste here, then we click on paste, and this text is moved from place A to place B. But if we want to copy the text then and paste here, the original text is also present at same original place, and same copy of text is available at desired location or another location where we want to paste here. So this is the major difference between cut and copy. And what about paste? Paste is the place where we want to put the text on a Word document or any other document. Friends, these are the commands. When we want to cut the text, we will press the Ctrl key plus X key from keyboard, then the text will be cut. And if we want to copy the text, then we will press the Ctrl key plus C, then text will be copied. And if we want to paste, then we will press Ctrl key plus V, then we will paste the text which we have already cut or we have copied to desired location. Friends, these are the options we can use cut, copy, paste through command prompt or through word menu. If you are facing any difficulty, you can write me in comments. Thanks. Bye.